Pharmapal. Effects of curcumin on postmenopausal women. Welcome to our video on the fascinating world of curcumin and its potential benefits for postmenopausal women. In this study, we dive deep into existing research to uncover how curcumin can impact cardiovascular health, oxidative stress, bone health, and overall quality of life. Join us as we explore the methods, results, and implications of this meta-analysis, shedding light on the promising role of curcumin in women's health. To kick things off, let's set the stage. The research was conducted by two independent researchers, S.J. and Z.C., who meticulously screened a vast array of documents. They focused on studies that provided solid data, excluding those without control groups or relevant outcomes. This rigorous selection process ensures that the findings we discuss today are based on robust and reliable evidence. Introduction. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has gained attention for its potential health benefits. This study follows a strict protocol registered with Prospero, ensuring transparency and rigor in the research process. But what does that mean for us? Materials and methods. Now, how did they go about this? The researchers extracted vital information from each selected article. This included authorship, who conducted the study, publication year, when was it published, participant demographics, where were the participants from, what was their age and sample size, intervention details, what was the curcumin dosage, frequency, and duration, outcomes of interest, what were they measuring, study design type, how was the study structured? Instead of relying solely on final measurement values, they used differences between endpoint and baseline values. This method provides a clearer picture of the actual effects of curcumin, minimizing the influence of any pre-existing differences among participants. Methodology. Two independent researchers, S.J. and Z.C., took the lead in screening the retrieved documents. Here's how they did it. Screening process. They began by reading the topics and abstracts of the documents. If an article lacked data for summary and analysis, or if it was a case report, review, or conference abstract, it was excluded. Disputes were resolved through discussions with other researchers, ensuring a collaborative approach. Data extraction. The information extracted from each article included key details like authorship, publication year, participant demographics, location, sample size, age, intervention details, curcumin dosage, frequency, duration, outcomes of interest, study design type. By focusing on the differences between endpoint and baseline values, the study aimed for a more accurate assessment of interventions. Study quality assessment. Next, the quality of the studies was assessed by G.S. and P.G. using the Cochrane Handbook. They evaluated 7 aspects, including random sequence generation, allocation concealment, blinding of participants, incomplete outcome data. This thorough assessment helped identify any potential biases in the studies. Results. Now, let's talk about the results. Initially, they identified 254 papers. After removing duplicates and irrelevant studies, they narrowed it down to 14 papers for analysis. These papers included a total of 982 participants, with nearly equal distribution between experimental and control groups. Risk of bias. The risk of bias was assessed, revealing a high risk in 2 studies. However, further analysis showed that these biases did not significantly affect the overall results. So, what did they find? The risk of bias was assessed by 2 independent researchers using established tools from the Cochrane Handbook. They evaluated 7 key aspects of each study, including random sequence generation. Was the selection process random? Allocation concealment. Were participants unaware of their group assignments? Blinding. Were both participants and assessors kept in the dark about group allocations? Incomplete outcome data. Were all participants accounted for? Selective reporting. Were all outcomes reported? Other bias, any other potential biases? After a thorough review, they narrowed down their findings to 14 studies that met all criteria, involving a total of 982 participants. This comprehensive analysis provides a solid foundation for understanding curcumin's effects. Discussion. In the discussion, we explore the implications of these findings. The meta-analysis highlights curcumin's potential as a beneficial intervention for postmenopausal women, particularly in improving cardiovascular health and managing oxidative stress. However, it's crucial to note that while the results are promising, the risk of bias in some studies suggests that further research is needed to confirm these benefits. The researchers also emphasize the importance of rigorous oversight in health product manufacturing. With less stringent requirements for demonstrating efficacy and safety, consumers must be cautious about the supplements they choose. Conclusion. In conclusion, this review paper not only highlights the potential of curcumin but also emphasizes the importance of rigorous methodology and research. We extend our gratitude to all the authors for their invaluable contributions. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the research on curcumin and its effects on postmenopausal women. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and a clearer understanding of the potential benefits of curcumin. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.
Pharmapal.